Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view VAT TRN number on VAT receivable page in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Tax Reports menu under the Accounts module. Now, we have to select the VAT Receivable Format 1 menu. On this VAT receivable page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Here we can see the VAT TRN number on VAT receivable page. This is how to view VAT TRN number on VAT receivable page in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.